Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's Tech Drift here with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I want to show you how you can download Google Gemini, which is a AI. Basically, you can use it to prompt it anything. So let's go ahead and download it. Let's go to the App Store and let's search up Gemini, and then from there on, let's download Google Gemini. Okay, it's gonna download. Google Gemini is very good with photos. I would highly recommend using Google Gemini over ChatGPT for basically just pictures. It's better than ChatGPT for pictures, but in regular search queries and stuff, I would recommend ChatGPT. But for pictures and stuff, it does a very good job. Go ahead and go to continue. All right, so that is, and we can ask it any question. Hey, how are you? If you go here, you can click, hey, how are you? And we can actually talk to it too.
Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
We can also do
How can I help you today?
We can also do the voice feature. And we could prompt a lot of stuff. Hey, how you doing? Can you make a picture of the sky?
Let me take care of that for you.
Okay.
One sunny, fluffy, clouded sky coming right up.
All right, where is the picture?
It's right there for you to see.
Perfect. See, as you can see, you could prompt it a lot of stuff. It's a real great feature. You can even ask it questions. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel.